How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Coinbase is really screwing up. They're really screwing us over, too. They went down for the third time in a week. And for the third time in a week, it's been when Bitcoin's been pumping. And as soon as they go down, the price of Bitcoin falls. Something sketchy is going on here. Something's not quite right, and I want to talk about that here today. If you want to see future videos like this, hit subscribe. Turn on the bell notification so you know right when I post a video, it will notify you. There's also going to be a link to CoinW underneath the video where you can trade cryptocurrency. You can buy spot or trade futures. There's also a link down there, so you can see CoinW here. There's also a link down there to Margex. In case you want to try out Margex, you can trade on leverage there. Both of these are platforms I really like. And at this point, obviously, Coinbase can't handle the volume, or they're choosing not to. So what is happening exactly? Well, for the third time in a week, Bitcoin's been pumping up. And right when Bitcoin's pumping, Coinbase goes down. They freeze. They show zero balances among some of their clients. And this is really frustrating for a lot of people because they can't get in to buy. Now, there is some selling. Some people have apparently been reporting that they can still sell. Now, the crazy thing about this is pretty much only Coinbase. I've seen a couple other apps have this the first day when we had a big pump. I think it was last week. But twice this week, Coinbase has gone down again. Now, no one else is having this problem. Coinbase is bigger than just about every platform out there except for Binance. And yet they still have these issues. And the weird thing is, too, it's just on the retail side. It's not like institutional clients have any issues. It's not like BlackRock or Fidelity or any of the people that have their ETFs custodied with Coinbase. It doesn't sound like they're having any issues either. And each time this happens, the price of Bitcoin falls. Now, I think there's one of two different reasons for this. One, it could be that Coinbase just really can't handle the volume. They've just been screwing up, not accounting for this kind of volume or not ready for this kind of volume of retail traders. That seems a little bit odd to me, though, because they're still, they're climbing up the ranks in the App Store. There are people that are using it, right? There are new people signing up. But they've dealt with this before. This should be something that they're ready for, that they knew was coming. And they're acting like it's not a big deal. Brian Armstrong's talking on Twitter like, hey, we were here this whole time. We're going to continue to provide our services. Hoorah, Bitcoin and crypto. And yet they're kind of screwing you. They're screwing you because you can't use their services when there's high volume. So they either screwed up big time, or they're doing this maliciously. They're doing this on purpose. They're doing it because they're evil. They're doing it because they might not have enough crypto. Maybe BlackRock and Fidelity are saying, hey, can you put on the circuit breakers? This is a little bit of a conspiracy, but hey, can you shut it down for a minute? Act like something's acting up because there's not enough Bitcoin for us to buy. So if you just let people keep on selling it, or if you let people keep on selling it, we can buy it off of them without it spiking by $10,000. Or we can actually buy it at a cheaper price because people keep on selling it. We'll wait for it to dump a little bit, then we'll buy. So there are two different ways that they could be doing this, or two different reasons for this. Either way, it's bad, right? It's either that they're stupid and they can't handle what they knew was coming, what everyone knew was coming. And it's not even like things are getting that crazy. We're seeing prices hit new all-time highs, but we're at 69,000. It's not like we're going from 100 to 180 in 10 minutes. No. It's a couple $1,000 move. So it's either on purpose or it's on accident. Both are bad. Now, I don't think this is going to continue, to be clear. It's gone on too long already, but people are going to start getting pissed off. And people already are getting pissed off, like crypto Twitter is getting pissed off, ban Coinbase, like all this stuff. They're moving to other exchanges. I can see it. I can see people signing up for Margex and CoinW because they're pissed off at Coinbase. And as I said in the past, it's important to have crypto in multiple places. You can't put all your eggs in one basket. You can't even use just one place to trade. It's important to have multiple places to be able to get out positions, because in high volatility, yeah, they're going to freeze. The top of the market, I guarantee you, they are going to freeze so that you can't sell. So you have to have something right set up somewhere else. Now, something else you can do, you could put all your crypto on cold storage and then move it to like a DEX or a hot wallet and then use a DEX. That's going to be congested too at certain times. One thing that you could do too is use the ETFs. Like you can just open up a brokerage account or have a brokerage account that you already have open and put in some more money into the Bitcoin ETFs. And that will give you some more liquidity, because they don't seem to have any issues with liquidity over there on any of the ETFs. And they track the price of Bitcoin exactly now. So if you're just getting into Bitcoin, that might be a good solution for you. I also don't think this is going to happen much longer, because people are going to use those other ways of investing. They're going to, after the 5th time that Coinbase goes down because Bitcoin moves up a couple $1,000s, they're going to go somewhere else, or they're going to figure out something else to do. They're going to use Margex, they're going to use CoinW, they're going to use these ETFs, and they're not going to just rely on Coinbase anymore. You know, how many times can you let them not allow you to buy, or how many times are you going to let them freeze you out of selling, or say that your wallet's worth 0 before you think, maybe I should move somewhere else? So it is interesting. Of course, other exchanges can have problems too. You know, not your keys, not your crypto. That all rings true still. The problem is you need some place to exchange, right? Unless you're going peer-to-peer and you're giving people cash for Bitcoin, which I don't know if you really want to do that. You need some place to buy and you need some place to sell. And at this point, Coinbase has been one of the best places, especially with our new advanced platform, to do it. I don't have a Coinbase link or anything like that underneath the video, but their platform is pretty nice. Their new order book is nice, but if they lock you out, it's no good. So we'll have to continue to monitor this over time. Of course, there is a lot of news in the crypto market. I'm going to do an update video because there's massive fund flows today, probably breaking records, and we're right under all-time highs again. This is an exciting market. Just make sure that you have everything set in place so that you have everything you need during this bull run. Set it up now, because during the bull run, who knows what happens? Who knows how crazy things get. You want to make sure that you have it all set up now, because tomorrow we could be at 80,000 and then 85,000, 90,000, or we could be at 22,000. Who knows? I don't think that's happening by any means, but some people would make you think that, or some people do think that right now. They want you to think that. Now, of course, you can check out the links, like I said, to CoinW, to Margex, even to Blowfin underneath the video. There are deals for all of them underneath the video when you use those links. I appreciate it. Of course, if you don't want to use those links, that's fine. It's totally fine. You can do whatever you want. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I will see you in the next video. Bye.